Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to compare Adobe Reader and Adobe Acrobat DC. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. What is Adobe Reader? Adobe Reader is a free PDF viewer software that was created by Adobe Systems. This is available for desktop and mobile versions. It allows in viewing, printing, and manipulating PDF files for free. But the thing we have to remember is, we can't create a PDF file in Adobe Reader. Only viewing is possible. And this is the reason to choose Adobe Acrobat DC. Now, let's see the details of Adobe Acrobat DC. What is Adobe Acrobat DC? Adobe Acrobat is a premium app from Adobe, and the first version was released in the year 2015. This software allows you to edit, view, creates, prints, and manage PDF files. The word DC stands for Document Cloud, which means users can upload the document to online storage for safekeeping. You can use this application on various platforms like desktop, mobile, and web. Features of Adobe Acrobat DC. Reader mobile app can be used to create, sign, and edit PDF files. Easy to convert PDF files to readable formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Combines multiple files into a single PDF file. Encrypt PDF files with a password. Easy to send, track, and confirm receipt of important documents. Adobe Acrobat DC is available in two versions, namely Standard version and Pro version. Let's see the features. Create PDF and export to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Edit text and images in PDF. Create, fill, sign, and send forms. Works on touch-enabled devices. Store and share files online. When it comes to Pro version, you get the features like all the Standard version features plus. Compare two versions of PDFs to find differences. Convert scanned documents into editable PDFs. Includes advanced mobile features. Validate and fix PDFs for ISO and accessibility standards. Let's compare the features of Standard and Pro version. E-response and tracking. Security to PDF and password protection. Combine multiple documents into one file. Create, sign, fill, and sending forms. Editing the media present in the PDF. Conversion of PDF to Word, Excel, and PPT formats. Validating ISO and accessibility standards. Mobile editing. Comparing two PDFs. Conversion of PDF to editable and searchable formats. And, when it comes to pricing, Acrobat DC Standard costs you $14.22 per month with the annual plan. And, Pro version costs $16.40 per month with the annual plan. If you are looking for best offers, check description for the offer link. Are you not interested in Adobe Acrobat DC? Then, check out this video on alternatives to Adobe Acrobat DC. Its link will be in the description. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.